You are all welcome, Sir Sanjeet, in our symposium, and all the guests who are watching us in our channel on YouTube. You are highly welcome. I'm welcoming you on the behalf too. And then I will give you the speech. And then when we finish after the speech, so we'll see if there is some question that in our channel. So we'll transfer it to you. If not, we can conclude according to your paper and your presentation, sir. So,
sure.
Yeah, you have the speech, sir. You can start.
I can start?
Yes.
Okay, so first of all, I feel delighted that I got this opportunity to present, and we are also happy to be a partner of this prestigious conference. This is Dr. Sanjeet Singh, Dean Research, Chandigarh University from India. So the topic on which I am discussing today is, our positioning in the patents at Chandigarh University. So as I said, in the year of 2018 and 19, we have adjudged as the top university as a single institution in all over India in patent filing by the Government of India Office of General of Patents. So let me tell you something about our university. Our university is just an 8-year-old university, and we have got all the recognitions, top recognitions, which includes NAC A+, UGC 12B, DSIR. It is scientific and industrial research organizations recognition from Government of India. So we got all these reputed rankings. So let me tell you about the summary. In this age of 8 year, basically in last 4 years, Chandigarh University have filed 900 plus patents. And 2018 and 19, we have filed 336. The domains which Chandigarh University basically catered are artificial intelligence, manufacturing, information technology, water, health, and others. So this was the report which has been released by Government of India. So here you are looking at that they ranked Chandigarh University at number 2 because at IITs collective, so there are 14 IITs, so they collectively filed 500 patents, 536 plus, but Chandigarh University as a sole university, as a single campus, we have filed 336. So as a campus, we are at the top. And then let me also share one more thing, that in information technology, in the field of information technology, we are the only university who shared the top 3 spots. Other 2 are the IT giants in India. These 2 are the MNCs, multinational companies. The first one is Tata Consultancy Services, and second is Wipro Limited. So Chandigarh University is at 3rd. We are the only university in all over India. And we have not only done that, but in the state of Punjab, if you'll see, because Punjab is the state where our university is situated. So in this state in 2018 and 19, our university has filed more than 65% patents. All other university and institutions included, they have filed only 32%. And as a result, our state rank in all over country has jumped from 12 to 8. So they got a jump of, 4 spots. This is basically about the domains in which we have filed, like information technology, automation, health, agriculture, safety, manufacturing, product, domestic, water. So these are the number of patents which we have filed in the recent times. And so now let me start with that. What we do once our students file the patents, what we do, we take them to the technology business incubator. In our university, we also have a business incubator where from the patents, we develop the products, and after developing product, we take them for the startups. Our business incubator is again supported by Government of India. We have more than 106 startups. Out of that, 22 have already passed out, 78 patents and 23 technology transfers. Our technology transfer, our TBA has already been done. These are some of the glimpse, these are the students who have developed their patents. Again, this patent is in the technology transfer with one of the MNCs. Our students have also developed some patents which are socially required, like the students which are on your screen. These are the people who started some social banking startups, some smart dustbin startups. And at the time of pandemic also, our students have created, the manufacturing, this sanitizer manufacturing and mask manufacturing benches for the rural areas where normally transportations are not possible. So these all things get patented. These are the kind of patent. So normally what university provide, we provide them, financial support, incubation support, mentoring also, because we are the channel between our students and the government of India, that from where they get support. And at the end of that, when they develop their products, our university also provide them the tech transfer support. And other than this, one more thing university provide is a central research facility where we have, world-class equipments, whether it is, 3D manufacturing, 3D printing, testing, automated manufacturing system, all these facility we provide to these people. And this is the normal our process, how we start from a student. We take idea submission to IPR cell scrutiny. From there, we file the patent, and then from patent, we develop the prototype, and then we take those prototypes for tech transfer or for product. So now the model which I wanted to, and which was supposed to be shared, that how we did it, how we started. So as I said, my university started in the year of 2012, and I joined this university in 2013. And we had a discussion with our management where they said that, we want to be a research university. So in the year, after having a discussion for 2 years, in the year 2014, we have established a cell called Innovation and Entrepreneurship Development Cell. This cell was basically funded by our university, where, where we started giving funds to our students to develop small prototypes. So after observing for a year, we have seen that, and we have also done the awareness. So after doing that, we have learned that our students have this, capability, and they are developing the good products. So we wanted to check. We said, let's check, and then we organized a conclave called Sir APJ Abdul Kalam Innovation Conclave. And out of that conclave, we have received some approx 2,000 ideas from our students. And after evaluating those ideas, and again calling with the experts of Government of India, our university, and industry experts, we have found that there are patenting value. So after that, we have established the IPR cell in the year 2015 only. And in that first year, we have just filed 13 patents. But after looking at the quality of patents, we have started technology business incubator with those 13 patents. Out of that, our 4 patents have started their startup. And with that also, we have started a product development cell. In 2017, we got the support from Government of India for technology business incubator as well as for science communication. This is the time when we have also started our department patent cell. In 2018, with the help of technology business incubator, we have started technology transfer in the companies and with the government. This is also a year when we have launched a national program for all over India, where all over the Indian students, they come and they participate in an annual competition, from where also we have started looking for the product. And in 2019, we have started concentrating on the social product distribution in collaboration with Government of India and some of the Indian organizations, MNCs. So how we selected the domain, when we have started that, when we took this decision, when our management says that we want to file the patents, the first thing we have concentrated, we have looked at the state need. Earlier, when I shown, my total 900 patents domain, so you could have looked from there that most of the patents are in my state need. A lot of patents scatter to the agriculture, as Punjab is basically agriculture state. So a lot of logistic patents, a lot of IT patents, manufacturing patents, most of them are concentrated, on the state needs of agriculture manufacturing, agriculture transportation, and how a farmer can sell their product online. So these kind of apps, this kind of products, this kind of problems. So we have done the surveys, we have found the problems, and on these problems we have filed a lot of patents. Other than this, we also followed the national policies, because Government of India, after every 3 years, they gave us, they shows us the path. Like this time they have said that the research should be in the domain of AI in health agriculture and water. So if you will see in the year of 2019 and 20, we have filed more than 60 patents which are from the area of artificial intelligence. Then our university also organized time to time, we organize survey in the different states, different cities, different districts in collaboration with the government, and whatever problems we find out from there, so we file our patents according to that. We also file a very few number of patents which after reading the research paper, we also follow UNDP guidelines. UNDP guidelines research paper and miscellaneous patents are very less, but more than 60% our patents are catered to the state needs and the national policy. So this is how we identified a domain while filing the patent. And now how we started, how we reached at this level. So in 2014, we have dedicated that particular year for the awareness, because we have also concentrated on one thing. When I got this task that I have to set up a patent cell in this university, so I have decided that I'll just take 4 years time to be self-sufficient. So in the first year, my university funded me for the awareness. So we have done good awareness in our university, in departments with the students. We have organized a number of workshops, awareness lectures. We also funded them from product development. Then after doing 1 year, in the year 2015, we have observed whether was there any impact of our awareness, our funding on the students or not. So as I said that we have organized APJ Abdul Kalam conclave. So through that conclave, we have received, as I said, approx 2,000 ideas, and there was good ideas out of which a lot of product had been developed by our students, and those products were catering a lot of societal problems. So that's the time when we have observed that with a strength of more than 25,000, we have this option and we can create it as a big unit. So in 2016, we have set up our unit, and this is the time when I bring some funding from the government of India, because they support this kind of initiatives. So with their initiatives, we have started doing this. And in 2016, whatever patent we have filed or whatever product we have developed, in 2017, we started communicating. When I'm saying communicating, so we started communicating it to the government agencies, we started communicating it to the organizations, we started communicating it to the NGOs. So all the stakeholders where we can market, we have marketed. And as a result, in 2018, we start getting the revenue out of that from our technology business incubator, through technology transfer, through our product sales by our students. So we started getting, this is the time when our center becomes self-sufficient. And in 2019, we started collaborating with the private firms. When I'm saying private firms, these are the multinational and national companies with whom we have collaborated. And then when you talk about the stakeholders, so our stakeholders also changed time by time. In 2014, our stakeholders were management, students, and faculty. In 2015, we have involved some agencies who help us in setting our patent cell initially in our university. In 2016, government joined us, students, faculty, and government. This is the time when management said that now we'll take a back seat, and these three stakeholders started working together. And in 2017, as in the form of NGOs, society also joined us. So we reached to the society. In 2018, students, faculty, government, and private organizations also become our part. And in 2019, again, management came back into the picture, because when we are talking about that we want to go in the society and we want to do CSR, so again our university started supporting us from the ISR funding. So these are the basic stakeholders who came time to time. Really, Government of India played a really big role for us by funding. And then in 2019, private organizations also become a part of our stakeholder team. So now, what are the incentives? The biggest question arises that what are the incentives for these people, why they have become our part? So when we are talking about the management, so during this, if I talk about this whole project of 5 years, so my management and my university got branding, they got good rankings. Where you talk in India, there are the rankings, NIRF, there are international rankings, they got funding. Because of our work, we got a lot of government fundings, we got private fundings also. We have done a lot of good collaborations with the national and international institutes of repute. And fifth, they got revenue out of this from the technology transfer. In terms of faculty, our second stakeholders, they got promotion definitely because of their work. Our university has an option that they also provide financial incentives to them. And third, they started earning consultancy from the private firms, because when they have filed some patent, their name went on the government websites. So a lot of private organizations started contacting them. Students, apart other than learning, we have also attached the same with our marks, so they got good marks in that. Those who are involved in these things, financial incentives, as I said, not only from university, but most of our students got financial incentives by technology transfer and by starting their startups as well. And one more thing, the students, this is we observe in the analytics of our last 4-year data, that the students who are involved in the patent, they got 60% better placement than the students who are not involved in these kind of activities. Government definitely problem solving, because through our patent, the latest example, let me give you, at the time of COVID, our university have developed 4 patents which we have given to government, and they are still under evaluation, and I hope that soon we'll start distributing those products. And second, as I said, that my university, we also taken this step to all the schools of our state. So government wanted to do science promotion in India, because now they want to inculcate this innovation culture in the school students. So we are fulfilling that also for the government. Society got their solutions, problem solving, and private organization who recently become our part, they have told us, this is their feedback, that the first thing they got is low cost R&D, where they don't have to invest a lot of money in the R&D. They got trained manpower, because the students who are involved in patenting and product development, when they go and they join these organizations, they get a trained and innovative manpower whom they don't need to train. And third, the organizations which are becoming part of our initiatives are also getting support from Government of India, because these all initiatives are supported by Government of India as well. So this is the outcome. We got 900 patents, 16 startups, 40 million funding, 741 product developed. So this is the output of this hard work of 5 years. So I'll be more than happy to answer any questions if anybody has. Thank you.
Well, thank you, sir, for the presentation that you shared with us, and thank you for this good research and the good job. And as we checked that, like for right now, we didn't get any questions for right now, but if there is some questions arise, we will transfer it to you later, sir. Yeah. Thank you once again.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much,
Thank you, Sima. Thank you, Sima.
And Manu, thank you.
Manu, thank you for.
Yeah, my pleasure. Thank you. Thank you for inviting us. I hope you like the session.
We like it.